Hello everyone, welcome to a new weekly overview. Weekly overview this week was super amazing. We had a lot of successful trades, especially with the update live that was done on Monday, sponsored by Swiss Code, of course. And we had six winning trades between Euro Dollar, GBP USD, GBP JPY, gold, oil, and Dow. Six of them, they fully hit take profit, and it was super profitable and was super great week. As you can see, also the trading during the month of October so far is being super great on the US 30. That's why keep your focus with us, keep learning the skills every single day, and you will be successful with time. هاي جميعا لو شفتوا الويكلي اوف الاسبوع الماضي كان سوبر ناجح، خصوصي بسيشنات سويس كود. ست اصابات من ست اصابات دايركت على الست تريت اللي بنعمل لهم ستدي مباشره، ثلاثه والاربعه يعني بعد ثاني نهار وثالث نهار دغري. بنفس الوقت اللايف ستريم عم بيكون كتير حلو، سو استفيدوا للماكسيموم، او مهاراتكم او سكيلز تبعكم. هيدا الاسبوع واعد بامور كتير حلوه، رح نكون عم نشوف ستاديز سوا. So let's check first the news. What do you have in news like this week? On Tuesday, 11th of October, 10:35 p.m. Dubai time. This is Dubai time, by the way, guys. We will have 10:35 p.m. The Bank of England Governor Bailey speaks at late night. Wednesday, GDP also GDP monthly, USD PPI, FOMC minutes done monthly after NFP. CPI monthly, it will be trade, and CPI yearly. Oh, this will be interesting. Thursday, 4:30 p.m. Dubai time, 3:30 p.m. KSA, Beirut, Jordan time. Core retail sales, your governor premium sentiment. So the CPI next week, we have the CPI Consumer Price Index. It will be interesting on Thursday. So let's go now. Let's start the studies. Oh, we start the US 30. US 30 is working perfectly. US 30 ماشي بشكل تمام on the Elliott wave that we did. One, you remember last week, it was here. One day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It went the way up. We were expecting to retrace wave 4 up before it started to move down. And here we are, simply no listening to news, doing nothing. And by the way, it was a super great trade, especially on yesterday, yesterday, Friday. So Friday, the NFP day, also we sent like it is going to open, make a wick up, it made a wick up and start to push down. Then the swing was all the way down for 500 pips. This was the sell. هيدي كانت السيل، فكنا عم نحكي حطيناها على ديسكورد. So انه لاحظوا هون low support and then opened, made a wick up and start to push down 39,877 till let's say 29,277, guys. We have 600 pips in one day, 600 pips in one day for the swing, and it's resuming for the wave 5. I'm still convinced for the sell if we take the Fibonacci extension, Fib extension. إذا أخذنا الفيب extension لاحظوا one, our gain is 61.8 as first target, which is 28,000, almost 28,040. 28,040 الفول target تبعنا. But of course before this we have to reach 28,000 28,961, 28,478, and to reach this as big target. But let's go check the smaller targets and what do we have to expect for next week. Here are the support. We put the support at this low. Look, this is all a support area. Now, if Dow opens, يعني إذا فتح هلا Dow عمل wick up, it made a wick up and start to push down back, this will be the potential sell we are looking for. Here it should be like this, at least this candle like this. So of course we need a wick up. the wick up, this is the wick up. And then if it start to push down, then it will be this. يعني most probably to hit at least حتى على القليل تضرب بالأول to this level. So the cell should be here. Let's remove this Fibonacci. The cell should be here. Something like this. Also for another 500 pips. The cell after wick, the most important part, we need a wick up. Cell should be around 29,146, stop loss 29,246. This is now because there is no wick. When there is a wick up, you have to check the wick up, okay? For this stop loss. Okay, 29,140 the sell. Take profit 29,130. It's the scalp, the 10 pip scalp that we do, not the same stop loss. أكيد مش the same stop loss. انتبهوا دايما لما بقول scalp غير السوينج. The scalp is different than the swing. The scalp has its own stop loss. The stop loss that I always say, or I talk about stop loss, دايما بقول عنه it's the swing stop loss, okay? So TP2 29,070, TP3 28,900, and TP4 28,715. Okay. هلا for the move up. The move up should be interesting, but we can go for it on the lower time frame because we need to see the reversal that can happen, and this is the reversal. So we have now on the 4-hour chart high, lower, high, lower, high, low, lower, low, 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 and high, lower, high, lower, high. فهون بدنا ننتبه انه تبرم. And here we have to be careful. If at any moment it opens and move down directly, not up, move down directly. يعني إذا فتحت نزلت نزول ساعتها من بعدها بتبلش تطلع, then we can have a lovely green candle here moving up for the buy. Okay, of course, don't forget always we must have, don't تنسوا ابدا لازم يكون عندنا wick, and we must see a low and a higher low, and then we expect this high to have a higher high. Okay, and because it's a reversal, so we must be skeptic when it comes to the take profit. We must take it, and secure, not take it, secure as fast as possible some of it, يعني نأمن قد ما فينا بأسرع وقت ممكن بعض التيك بروفيت. Entry 29,385, stop loss 29,340, 95 TP1, 29,440 TP2, 29,510 TP3, and 29,630 TP4. It can be a good reversal and the US30 might start to push up. Let's go for the gold as we saw in the Swiss code session on Monday when we said if it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up. This is Tuesday and went all the way up from 1700 1700 طلع نتقلنا السيشن تبع التنين لل 1740 730 sorry, exactly to the resistance that we put. Look why we put this resistance. Look why we had this support, it went down and up. And then we have this resistance, it went up and hit this level and went down. So this is a resistance area for here. This is a support area. So for the price, especially gold, going 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, consequence day up, then it was a sniper entry here, a potential of sniper entry. So we can have the sell and we can make profit. Also on the lower time frame, it was clear. And now what's clear that it's making a double top. It's making a double top. Let's remove these studies. Let's remove these studies to make new ones. Look, this is the neckline. طلع هون عم بيعمل double top. هلا كتير مهم. Already broke it. Already broke it. So we can have the high till the neckline. And we have a clean traffic, guys. Most probably we should resume down with gold, most probably till this level. So as you can see, till this resistance, if you see here, you have also a resistance here up and move down. And here also, this area is a resistance area. Now it's a support. So the market should go down before going up, if it wanna go up. Let's see now. We will put this support here. This is interesting. The low of the previous candle. هيدي. After this, if it breaks it, we have a clean traffic, as you can see here. إذا بتشوفوا هون عندنا clean traffic, which means that the clean traffic خلينا نقول إنه if we break this level 1688, stop loss 1693, 1687 TP1, which is 10 pips, 1684 TP2, 1678 TP3, and the full target may be till this support down. This is support down. Look, oh, what a support area also. It was a resistance, كانت هون resistance, لكن هون support, لكن كلها support, هون resistance, هون support area. So I think the TP4 should go to this level 1665, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yes, 1665 TP4. So we might have all this push down. The full target of the double top will be here at 1678. But the full target of this trade can be with the clean traffic around 1665. بنوصل ل 1665 كفول تارجت، بينما تبع الدبل توبس 1668. هلا the scenario for the buy. Now if it opens, start to push up, I will be waiting the buy at this level, breaking the previous high, which is the resistance, the interesting resistance at 1731, stop loss 1725, 1732 TP1, 1738 TP2, 1742 TP3, and 1751 TP4. Okay, this will be also interesting as target. We go to the US oil. It was a blast after Monday. مثل ما قلنا التنين عشية إذا فتح وطلع بيكسر هاي بياخدها وضله ساحب. And we have the oil after OPEC meeting. It pushed so much up and even it closed at its highest level. We are CCI percentage R are already overbought, so we must see a potential reversal to get the sell. Otherwise, we might resume up. Don't forget, oil is driven a lot by news. انتبهوا شغلة، الأويل كتير بيمشوا الأخبار news. So technical are good, are very good, but the hit rate are usually around 75%, not more. So you must be careful. يعني الأويل أحلى شيء نلقط trend ونمشي فيه. The best thing in oil to get a trend and to use it. So let's see on the normal buy. This is the normal buy. If the market opens, makes a wick down, we have a low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, high, higher high, higher high, higher high, and higher high. So the sequence might resume if it opens, makes a wick down, and start to push up. The buy, but you have to be careful, guys, because we are already too much up. And if we can spot the Elliott wave, I will go to the wave 4 to spot the Elliott wave. You can see the following. You have all this is a 1, 2, and now 3 hit almost. We might have a retracement for the 4 and then to push up for the 5. So be very careful about the retracement. هلا it should resume up as the market close. يعني لازم يسكر، خصوصا لو يسكر نهار الجمعة بعد أخبار على الهاي، يعني بيكون بعد عنده potential الأحد عشية، يعني ليلة الأحد تنين الصبح إنه يكمل طلعة. After this يعني we might have a potential of seeing the oil on the market open keep pushing up, and then during Monday it start retracing. If it happens. Let's see here the Fibonacci. No, not this. I made a mistake. This one, the first one. From 1 till 2, already 161 was broken. Let's see if it will go to 2.618 before it retraces. Also, we might see this, but let's see what will happen. We have many scenarios. We'll discuss these scenarios now. هلا, the first scenario, daily. It opens, makes a wick down, start to push up by 93.40, stop loss 93, sorry, 92.90. TP1 after making a wick, we need a wick down and then we get the buy. If there is no wick down, no, we don't get the buy yet. We have a pure clean traffic on the left. As you can see, عندنا clean traffic واضح على الشمال انتم شايفين. 93.50 TP1, 94.40 TP2, 95.40 TP3, and 96.70 TP4 for the full clean traffic. If it goes to the 2.618 with the Fibonacci extension. Or if we go to the 4 hours, رحنا على 4 ساعات, or even 1 hour to spot it. Okay, we have this sequence. This sequence means this support. Look at the support. Look at the support بعد كلها الطلعة. If it opens, makes it up and start to push down again, we might have the sell at this level. With a clean traffic till here. Yeah, we might have the sell 91.95. No, 91.95, yes. Stop loss 92.25. TP1 91.15, TP2 91.50, TP3 90.71, and TP4 89.50. This can be a retracement for the full target, but also we might check if it start to go down from this level, we might check wave 4 how much it can retrace from the full wave 3. نشوف كمان قد ايه ممكن تعمل retracement من الفول wave 3. 38.2 will be exactly here at 87, and let's say 88. The full take profit will be at 88, 38.2 before it resumes up. Or for the clean traffic target, it might be 23.6. هتكون 13.6 التارجت تبع clean traffic الأول. So it will be 90. So interesting US oil to see for the next week. Now we go for the GJ. Also, Tuesday went up, it took the TP2 almost, then it started to reverse, to retrace down. Let's have a new study. So for me, the buy now is here to be on the safe side. So if we break 166.05, stop loss 165.20, TP1 66.15, TP2 67.40, TP3 68.90, TP4 71.22. It will be super interesting. For the sell, we might have back this one. Look, this is the support area now, and we might resume down. If it opens, makes a wick up, start to push down. إذا فتح عمل wick up وبلش ينزل, we might have the 160.74, stop loss 61.76, TP1 60.64, 59.85 TP2, 58.35 TP3, and 55.20 TP4 if it resumes the way down. And you know, GJ, in one day it can make 300 pips. بنهار واحد في يعمل 300 400 نقطة. 300 400 pips, it depends. So always be careful for this. So let's see. See for this. If it will happen or not. Bitcoin. Bitcoin still stagnating in this area. Nothing up, down. We are still in the same buy. We are still in the same sell. Nothing up, nothing down. It's still super normal. Nothing changing. We still have the same buy, the same sell. You will see it on the paper still in the range. It's still ranging between 20,500 and 18,500. Now we go to the Euro USD. Let's see. Euro USD also, it made the same. It went up, took the TP3, and then started to reverse down. We have the same support now. Breaking this, the sell is a كسرها كمل نزل. We have a clean traffic down. The sell will be around 0.9727. Stop loss 97.57, 97.17 TP1, 96.76 TP2, 96.29 TP3, and 95.70 TP4. While the buy, we need a reversal to start to break up now. And this time, my resistance will be here, the high, the previous high done during the last 3 days, 4 days. So the buy will be at 1. Well, it should be even higher, 1.0010, stop loss 0.9960, 1.0020 TP1 scalp, 1.0050 TP2, 1.0110 TP3, and 1.0160 TP4. while the sell, if it opens, makes a wick up. بينما الفتحة إذا فتح عمل wick up وكمل نزلة, open, wick up, and start to move down, then we will have this one 0.9725, stop loss 0.9750, 97.15 TP1, 96.84 TP2, 96.33 TP3, and 95.70 TP4. We'll go for the GBP USD. For this, also same. Let's remove this. We have this resistance and the header resistance level, and we have this support also at this level. See here, this is the support down. So let's see if it opens now. If the dollar will get stronger again, it will be the resume. يعني the retracement is done, and then it will resume down. بيكون إذا هلا الدولار رجع بلش يضعف، يعني بيكون خلصت التريحة اللي كنا عم نحكي عنها وشفناها بالسي برسنتج ار. هلا بنكون عم نكمل نزلة. So open, wick up, we resume the sequence of high, lower, high, lower, high, low, lower, low, lower, low. If we have an open, wick up, and then we have low breaking down, this means that we will resume down with a lower low. So it will be 1.1045 entry, 1.1085 stop loss, 1.1035 TP1 scalp, 10940 TP2, 1.0867 TP3, and 1.0720 TP4. AUD/USD still in the range, breaking down now, getting ready to break down. This is the support. We are still in the same cell, 0.6350 with its same stop loss. We'll put it 0.6390, 6340 TP1, and we resume down with the same take profits. So entry for the buy 0.6555, stop loss 0.6525, 65 TP1, 6610 TP2, 6660 TP3, and 6730 TP4. NZD/USD, it took the take profit one and then moved down. Now we have a new buy option, which is the high of the previous candle. The sell is still the same, and it seems like it's like stagnating here. Cannot have stagnation, and it should resume down while the dollar is getting stronger. بعد ما بيقوى الدولار يرجع 0.5558, 0.5595, stop loss TP1 TP1 the entry 0.5560. TP1 0.5550, 0.5503 TP1, TP2 0.5550 TP5450 TP3 and 0.5397 TP4 with a stop loss at 0.5590. For the buy, if it resumes up, the buy will be 0.5820 0.5820 0.5780 85 stop loss 0.5830 TP1 59 TP2 0.5972 TP3 and 0.6060 TP4. We go for the USD CHF. Broke up and it's getting ready to break up again this lovely support, especially if the dollar resumes its power. So we have this. If it opens, it makes a wick down. We have the sequence low, higher, low, higher, low, high, higher, high, higher, high. We have this strong resistance. If we break this resistance, the buy should be around 0.9970, 0.9975, stop loss 0.9955, 9985 TP1 scalp, 1.01 1.0017 TP2, 1.0050 TP3, and 1.0090 TP4. While if it opens, makes a wick up and start to push down again, the sell should be 0.9865, stop loss 98.85, 55 TP1, 25 TP2, 85, 97, 85 TP3, and 97.50 TP4 for the move down. And finally, the USD CAD, dollar Canada, after getting the sell first, now it retraced up. So simply we have the sell which changed while the buy is still the same, 1.3855, I think, 1.3855. The stop loss the same, TP1, TP2, TP3 for the same for the push up. If this is a retracement, إذا كانت هيدي الريحة من بعدها بتكمل طلعة بيكون المفروض يكمل buy up. And for the sell, if it resumes down, breaking this support now again, 1.3485 sell, 1.3525 stop loss, 3475 TP1 scalp, 3405 TP2, 3345 TP4, and 3235 TP4. Yeah, TP3, I think the one before. So it will be a good move down, and so the week is full of opportunities. هذا الأسبوع راح يكون full of opportunities. فرص كتير متاحة راح بتكون. Make sure to put these studies on your desk. Choose the pairs that you work on. My preferred pairs are Euro USD, EU, GU, GBP USD, GJ, GBP JPY, Gold, and Dow Jones for the swing. If you have small accounts, please do not go to the US 30 Dow Jones for swing, just for scalp. And please, guys, please, this is something I'm really convinced of and I'm really insist on. Use not the normal proper risk management or something like this. No, use our risk management system for the sell, sorry, for the loss. No more than 1% per day. ممنوع أكثر من 1% خسارة بالنهار. Please التزموا بهذا الموضوع. And plus for the winning, start to secure trade if it's scalp starting the first 10 pip. If it's swing starting the first 30 pip, secure half position, stop loss entry or exactly the amount that you won. So you will be zero loss or win trade if it happens that it hit the stop loss, and then let the runners run. بعدين تركوا الرنرز يكملوا تدريجيا for the swing trade to make many profits, with always choosing. انتوا عم تنقوا دايما the quality trade، يعني التريد المهمة الأساسية. ما تشبقوا يمين وشمال. Don't just click all the time. Choose the best trade. If for any reason the first try didn't work and it hit stop loss maybe, you always give the second chance. دايما اعطوه second chance في حال اول مره ما زبطت او عملت اول شيء تي بي 1 حطيته ستوب لوس انتري، رجعت ضربت ستوب لوس انتري عم ترجع تطلع. سو دايما استعملوا الفرصه الثانيه لانه ممكن من بعدها يرجع يكمل يسحب. So best of luck guys. Hope we will have an amazing week. I'm sure we should have a great one. With our strong swing and scalp system, we are always in the profit mode. Even when we lose, حتى لما بنخسر, we lose small amounts against winning bigger amounts or bigger targets. Thank you so much, and thank you to Swissquote for sponsoring this weekly overview. See you.